Hey guys, so today we are going to be going ice fishing with my uncle out on private property. Going to go to some of his ponds, go see if we can't catch some fish. Stay tuned.
Topher, we are out here on my uncle's property ice fishing, cooking up some deer that was caught on this property. We got a nice venison steak.
What you got going on in there?
We got some butter. We're about to put some garlic and basil olive oil. This is garlic olive oil. Basil olive oil.
Try to center up that pan a little better for you. Good. Perfect. Dump a little of that blood in that ice fishing hole, boy. There you go. Perfect. Fish attractant.
There we go. Now we got her cooking.
Good job. Luxury is outdoor living, right?
Yes, it is.
It's actually a piece of backstrap.
Sweet.
That was my last piece.
This was off the buck, right?
Yep. Alright guys, we're going to let this cook for a few minutes. Stay tuned, we'll pick back up in a minute. Alright, recording again. I think looking pretty good.
Yeah. Onto the rotation of the back strap. Still no fish while catching the back strap?
No. Had a little mishap. You want to tell them what my mishap was?
The fire cut his line, and now the jig is down at the bottom of the pond. So that's fun.
Hold that pan, please. Oh, we're doing good now. Looking good.
We got some nice. Trying to show the medium rare. There we go. Some nice medium rare chunks of venison backstrap. Out here in the woods with the one and only Uncle Cornelius Cordell Schuster. Eating the one and beloved backstrap. Wow. Trying to catch some more fish. think we might have to bore a couple more holes so that
Get the snack in first.
we can catch some actual fish. But
It's pretty tasty, dude.
caught some before we started filming. But other than that, started dying out. We don't have no salt, no seasonings. Had some basil olive oil, some garlic olive oil, and some butter, and we used them.
In a pre-season pan.
Yep, a pre-season pan.
Turned out pretty good, dude.
Yes, it did.
Leave them 2 chunks for me.
You want them cut?
No. I'm a man. I don't need my food cut up with a boy.
I like cutting it. Medium rare. Perfection.
Yeah, that shit's good, buddy.
Got the knife, spork, can opener, bottle opener.
I think we should go over there and try to drill some holes.
Probably should.
Or that other pond over there.
Ooh, probably should go to the other pond.
Your choice.
Okay. We got the back strap almost finished. There we go. Oh, I just missed a fish. I don't know if y'all seen that bobber going down, but I definitely missed a fish. Let's watch the bobber. Y'all see that? Ooh, I missed another one. It's amazing. We got water boy empty because I forgot to buy water. We got the little old ice fishing pole. I missed another one. Man, I can't keep on doing this missing fish. Can't keep on doing it. I don't even know if I still got bait. Yeah, I still got bait. Alright guys, well, I'm gonna let this snow boil. Then we're gonna sit the pan down in the snow and I'll let you guys know when we actually catch a fish. Okay guys, it's Topher. We did not end up catching anything out here, so we are on the way back. There he is. We got the other ponds right here. Hopefully next time we come out, do something, we'll catch some fish. Have a great day, you guys.